All right, let's talk about a really important area called operating cycles. So as we go through, and we've talked about the understanding of internal control, again, quick review, let me walk over here. Understanding of internal control. We said 1, you need to understand the design. Then 2, you need to document the understanding. 3, you need to assess your CR, or your risk of material misstatement. And at that point we assess, do we intend to rely? If we say yes, then we go on to 4, which is T of C, tests of controls. That's where we're going to do our ARCs and our RIO. So at this point up here, we understand the design, document the understanding by doing find, remember flowcharts, ICQs, narratives, decision tables, assess control, or assess CRR. Do we think we're going to rely? Yes. ARC RIO. And then step 5 is reassess control risk. And then 6 is document the basis for conclusions. So those are the steps to understanding. You have to do these. If you're not going to rely under non-public, document the basis. So just go to here. If it's public, you still have to do this, this, and then do this. Now, when we talk about operating cycles, they fit into 2 areas. One is up here in documentation, because what we're looking at is a flow chart of a cycle, a narrative of a cycle, ICQ of a cycle, decision table, decision tree of a cycle. If we're going to rely, what do? Tests of controls of your cycles. So we're going to test the operating cycles for ARC and RIO. That's where it fits in. So as we go through these cycles, we're going to talk about the revenue cycle, the expenditure spending cycle, the investment cycle, the personnel and payroll cycle, conversion, and so on. So all of that fits in right here in T of C, tests of controls.